Hola, good you're watching this video. In this video I will show you 20 theory questions plus the answers plus the explanations from the CBR category vehicle knowledge. And if you think after the video I want to see all the videos, you go to theorycourse.com and there you order your complete theory video course. And complete means including the mock tests. And now we go to Question 1. The speedometer is defective. Can you drive like this? Yes or no? And the right answer is no. The speedometer is required. Also, you must be able to see how fast you're driving in the night. And the odometer is not required in the Netherlands, only the speedometer. Question number 2. The ladder protrudes 1 meter. Can you drive like this? Yes or no? And the right answer is yes. Load may protrude on the back side 1 meter and also on the front side 1 meter. And on the side 20 centimeters left and 20 centimeters right. And a marking sign behind load on a car is never ever required. And if you want to put a yellow jacket over here, you may do that. And if you want to put a flag over here, you can do it also. Question number 3. You are towing the motorcycle. Is that allowed? Yes or no? And in this case the right answer is no, because vehicles on 2 wheels may not be towed, and also vehicles on 2 wheels never may tow a car. So things on 2 wheels may not tow and cannot be towed. Question number 4. Which of the symbols below is about the braking system? The first one, the second one, or the last one? And at the CBR you just push the right symbol. And if you push the right symbol, you push the last one. The last one is about the braking system. The first one is about the battery and the second one is about the oil. Question 5. The reverse gear is defective. May you drive like this? Yes or no? You may not, because the reverse gear is required. So if it is defective, you may not drive. Question number 6. What is the maximum height of a passenger car, including the load? Answer A, 3 meters. Answer B, 3.5 meters. Or answer C, 4 meters. The right answer is 4 meters. The maximum height of a passenger car, including the load, is 4 meters. Of course, this load is not attached very well, so you may not drive like this, but that's not the question. Yeah, the question is, what is the maximum height of a passenger car, not of this passenger car. And the maximum length of a passenger car is 12 meters. And the maximum width of a passenger car is 2.55 meters. Only if you drive on an unpaved road, the maximum width of a passenger car is 2.2 meters. Question 7. What is the maximum length of a passenger car? Answer A is 7 meters. Answer B 9 meters. Or answer C 12 meters. And I just told you that the maximum length of a passenger car is 12 meters, so C is the right answer. Question 8. What is the maximum permitted length of a double axle trailer? Answer A 6 meters. Answer B 8.75 meters. Or answer C 12 meters. The right answer is 12 meters. And if the car have one axle, two axles, or how many axles, no problem at all. The maximum length of a trailer is 12 meters. And the maximum length of a car is 12 meters. But together, it may not be more than 18 meters. Question number 9. Does transporting 4 passengers in a passenger car affect the light height of the headlights? Yes or no? The right answer is yes. Transporting 4 passengers affect the light height. Even one passenger affect the height of the lights. Maybe once in your life you are in a car alone and then the driver steps in the car and then you feel that the car goes down a little. So everything the CBR asks affect. 1 passenger, 2 passengers, 3 passengers, 4 passengers, load on the roof, driving with a trailer, everything affect the light height of the headlights. Question number 10. Is a fire extinguisher part of the mandatory equipment of a car? Yes or no? And the right answer is no. All the loose parts in a car are not mandatory, like a fire extinguisher, like a spare wheel, like a first aid kit, all those loose things are not required. So, question 11, is a warning triangle part of the mandatory equipment of a car? Yes or no? And the answer is also no. A warning triangle in the Netherlands is not required. But when you have a breakdown, you must use your warning lights or the warning triangle. So better you have one with you. And if you place this one, it must be about 30 meters behind the car. Question 12. You have a caravan behind the car. Does that affect the light height of the headlights? Yes or no? Right answer is yes. And if you look good at the picture, this old Mercedes-Benz, his lights are going to the moon. They go up. Why? Because of the caravan. If he has no caravan behind him, the car will be more horizontal and then the light heights are good. Question 13. The distance from the rear of the towing vehicle to the front of the towed vehicle is 1.5 meters. May you drive like this? Yes or no? The right answer is yes. The distance from the front car to the back car may never be more than 5 meters, and everything less what the CBR asks is okay. So 4 meters is okay, 3 meters is okay, 2 meters is okay, 0.5 meters also is okay, but 6 meters not is okay. Question 14. What is the most obvious cause that the turn signal is flashing faster than normal? Answer A. One of the bulbs is broken. Answer B. Nothing. This issue disappears by itself. Or answer C. A battery or alternator that is not functioning properly. And the right answer is that one of the bulbs is broken, so you need to replace one bulb and everything function as normal, if you are lucky. Question 15. This warning light comes on while driving. Can you drive to a garage to get help? Answer A. Yes. Or answer B. No, you must stop immediately in a safe place. And the right answer at the CBR is no, you must stop immediately in a safe place. If the CBR shows you a red warning light, then you cannot drive on. You always must stop immediately in a safe place. And I know if you have your driving license, you do other than this, but you don't have a driving license, that's why you're gonna study for the theory. And at the CBR, red light means stop immediately in a safe place. Question 16. This symbol is affixed to a tire. What kind of tire is this? Answer A, an all-weather tire. Answer B, a summer tire. Or answer C, a winter tire. And this looks like snow to me, and in Netherlands snow is only in the winter, so this is a winter tire. And the minimum tread depth of a winter tire at the CBR is 4.0 millimeters. Question 17. Under what outside temperature do winter tires perform the best? Answer A, below 0 degrees Celsius. Answer B, below 7 degrees Celsius. Or answer C, below 12 degrees Celsius. And the right answer is answer B. And you have to remember this answer because at the CBR you got that question often. So, under the 7 degrees Celsius, winter tires perform best. Remember this well. Question 18. How much bar of air normally escapes from a car tire per month? Answer A, 0.1 bar. Answer B, 0.5 bar. Or answer C, 1.0 bar. And the right answer, I will say, of course, is 0.1 bar. In a tire there is between 2.4 and 3.0 bar. And if there escapes 1.5 or 1.1 or 1.0 bar per month, then everyone in the Netherlands will drive with flat tires. So 0.1 bar is the right answer. Question 19. Which symbol indicates that the tire pressure is too low? Is it the first one, the second one, or the last one? The second symbol indicates that the tire pressure is too low. And if the CBR shows you this symbol and asks what you have to do, then you must stop immediately on a safe place, because mostly this sign warns you for a flat tire. Not if the tire pressure is a little bit too low, but if this sign comes up at the CBR, you say, okay, I'm gonna stop immediately on a safe place to check if I don't have a flat tire. And the last symbol, if it lights up, it means you have a problem with your engine. And the first symbol, called TCS, traction control system. And traction control keeps your wheels on the road. And the last question of this video. The tachometer is defective. May you drive like this? Answer A is yes, answer B is no. And the right answer is yes, because a tachometer is not required. So if you have a car without a tachometer, of course you can drive. For example, a Peugeot 108 don't have a tachometer. And there are many other cars without tachometer. So if it is defective, no problem, you may drive like that. And these were the 20 questions of this video. I thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. And if you want to learn everything about the Dutch theory, you go to theorycourse.com, audio complete theory video course, including mock test, and I will help you to pass the test at the CBR. Okay, see you next time. Gracias. Adios.